From a small village to a big dream. Ramesh was born in a very small village in India. The village had narrow roads, mud houses, and very few opportunities. Most people worked as farmers or daily laborers. Ramesh's family was very poor. His father worked in other people's fields, and his mother cleaned houses. Some days, they did not earn enough money to buy food. Ramesh was a quiet boy. He watched other children go to school with bags and clean clothes. He also wanted to study, but his parents were worried. School needed books, uniform, and fees. Still, Ramesh's mother believed that education could change his life. She told his father, "We are poor, but if our son studies, his future can be better." Finally, they sent Ramesh to a government school. He walked 5 kilometers every day to reach school. In the rainy season, the road was full of mud. In summer, the sun was very hot. Many times, Ramesh felt tired, but he never stopped. He loved learning new things. At school, Ramesh did not have proper books. Sometimes he borrowed books from friends. Sometimes he copied notes on old paper. His teachers saw his hard work. One teacher, Mr. Sharma, encouraged him a lot. He said, "Ramesh, you are poor in money, but rich in effort. Never stop trying." Life was not easy. After school, Ramesh helped his parents. He carried water, worked in fields, and sometimes sold vegetables in the market. At night, when others slept, Ramesh studied under a small lamp. Many times, there was no electricity. Still, he continued. When Ramesh was in class 10, a big problem came. His father fell sick and could not work. The family had no income. Ramesh thought of leaving school to earn money. He felt very sad. He cried alone and asked himself, "Why is life so hard?" Mr. Sharma came to know about this. He visited Ramesh's house and talked to his parents. He helped Ramesh get a small scholarship. He also arranged free books. This support gave Ramesh new hope. He decided to continue his studies. Ramesh passed class 10 with good marks. People in the village were surprised. Some people said, "What is the use of studying so much? He will still be poor." These words hurt Ramesh, but he did not listen. He focused on his goal. He joined a junior college in a nearby town. The distance was more, and the expenses were higher. To manage money, Ramesh worked part-time in a small shop. He cleaned floors, arranged items, and helped customers. The shop owner was kind and allowed him to study during free time. There were days when Ramesh felt very tired. He worked, studied, and traveled long distances. Sometimes he failed in exams. Sometimes he felt lonely. But every time he felt weak, he remembered his mother's words, "Hard times do not last forever." After finishing school, Ramesh dreamed of becoming an engineer. It felt impossible. Engineering colleges were expensive, and competition was high. Still, he prepared for entrance exams. He studied early in the morning and late at night. He did not have coaching classes, but he used old books and free library resources. After many attempts, Ramesh cleared the entrance exam and got admission to a government engineering college. It was one of the happiest days of his life. His parents cried with joy. The village people who once doubted him now praised him. College life was challenging. Subjects were hard, and English was difficult for him. In the beginning, he felt shy to speak. Some students laughed at his village accent. Ramesh felt hurt, but he did not give up. He started reading simple English books and practiced speaking with friends. Slowly, he improved. During college, Ramesh also faced financial problems again. He applied for scholarships and worked part-time jobs. He never wasted time. He believed that every minute was important. After 4 years of hard work, Ramesh completed his engineering degree. He got a job in a small company. The salary was not very high, but it was honest work. With his first salary, he bought medicine for his father and new clothes for his mother. That day, he felt truly successful. Ramesh did not stop there. He continued learning new skills. He worked hard in his job and improved himself. After some years, he got a better job with a good salary. He helped his family come out of poverty. He also helped children in his village by providing books and guidance. Today, Ramesh is a successful man, but he is still simple and humble. He often visits his village and talks to students. He tells them, "I was once like you, poor, afraid, and unsure. But I never stopped trying." His life teaches us an important lesson. Success does not come from money or luck. It comes from hard work, patience, and belief in yourself. Problems will come, people will doubt you, and you will feel tired. But if you keep moving forward, your dreams can come true. Ramesh's journey from a small village to a better life is real motivation. It shows that no matter where you start, you can reach far if you do not give up.